Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Yarley G. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing good practices and strategies that worked for me. On my previous video, I shared on how to manage a monthly budget, but out of that monthly budget, we set aside a certain portion for saving. So now I'm going to be detailing on why it's important we save and why it's important for us to really invest that money and make it grow. As a summary recap, we looked at the scenario of a single person bringing in an income of $60,000, which netted about $3,500 a month. The rent was $1,500 a month, and they were able to save $875 a month. Why is it important that we make that $10,500 a year that we save turn into $210 over the course of 10 years? First off, what we gotta look at is inflation. When you leave your money in the bank just sitting there, you're losing money every single year. Inflation is about 3% a year. So meaning every dollar that you're able to save today, next year is only worth 97 cents. So over the course of 10 years, the money has shrunken so much. The $10,500 that you're able to save every year is $7,800 over the course of 10 years. We do not want to lose money. So it's important that we save it, but put it in places so that it can grow to outpace inflation as well as give us a good return. I invest in mutual funds in the stock market because those are the things that has worked for me. And I'm going to be sharing with you on some tactics that you can apply investing in these things as well. The stock market, if you don't know, it's more volatile. It goes up and down every single day. An individual stock will be a lot much more volatile. A mutual fund, however, grows and also slows down at a more relatively pace against the overall market. It's important that we put our money aside in both places so that way we can diversify our money. So that way we don't lose money too much if things happen really bad. At the same time, we can gain. As a rule of thumb, we should always aim to make our money grow 10 to 15% at a time over the course of a year. 10% growth over the course of 10 years, that $10,500 that we've been saving every single year, that is how it's going to become $210,000. And it is using what we've saved in these mutual funds and stocks as well. Now, we understand why it is important for us to save as well as invest. I'm going to be detailing in my next series on how to get into the mutual funds, when to buy, and also the stocks as well. When do you buy and when do you sell? On a very moderate pace. So that way you're not losing money, but at the same time you're gaining money as well. And you can get that 10 to 15% of return on your money that you put in every single time. So please stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Leave a comment if you can. Remember to continue to inspire others because it's how we continue to grow.